Hi guys, I hope you have watched my previous videos. So today I am going to tell a topic pencil making process and steps. So in this process there are 10 steps and I am going to say step number 1 now. Step 1. The wood is softened and cut into slates called pencil stock or pencil squares. Step 2. A wax and stain are applied and the slates are passed under a cutting wheel. Step 3. The grooves in the slate are filled with a special elastic glue for the lead. Step 4. Lead is created by mixing graphite and clay and baking it in an oven at about 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. After lead is added, another slate of wood is loaded on top like a sandwich. Step 6. A mechanized plunger squeezes the sandwich together and the glue dries. Step 7. The sandwiches are sliced into pencils. Step 8. The pencils grow to a lacquering head, getting their color and sheen. Step 9. A rubber eraser is added to the top of an assembly machine. Now we will see each step in detail. Step 1. The first step is making sure the wood is soft enough to sharpen, but not so soft that it will bend when you use it to write. The wood is pre-cut into slates called pencil stock or pencil squares and sawmills. Each slate is placed in the dry kiln or prior to being shipped to the manufacturer. This gives them an uniform moisture content that makes their assembly more streamlined. Step 2. The manufacturers apply a wax and stain after they receive the slates from the sawmills. The first step is for the slates to pass under a giant cutting wheel that carves grooves along the edges. These grooves will eventually hold the lead or graphite in place. Step 3. The grooves are filled with a special elastic glue that acts as a cushion for the graphite. Without the glue, the graphite has the potential to break before the pencil's design is complete. Step 4. Now it's time to add the lead. Lead is created by mixing graphite and clay and baking it in an oven at about 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. Graphite is an organic form of crystalline carbon that is found in metamorphic and igneous rocks. It is turned into lead, which is common terminology used to describe the inside of the pencil. Step 5. After the pencil is loaded with the lead, it's time for another slate of wood to be loaded on top. This is done on conveyor belt with an automated arm that flips the side with the glue over and stacks it on the top of the other slate containing the lead. Think of it as a lead sandwich. Step 6. A mechanized plunger squeezes the sandwich together with over 2000 pounds of pressure. The wood slates are compressed as the glue has the time to dry. Step 7. After about an hour, the sandwiches are sliced into pencils. A fast spinning cutter is used to shape the pencils into a hexagonal design. From there, the pencils separate out the sandwich into individual pieces. Any pencils with defects are discarded. Step 8. One at a time, the pencils go through a lacquering head, giving them their color and sheen. The surface is coated with 4 to 10 coats of paint or lacquer, depending on the desired quality and color. Step 9. The final step is adding a rubber eraser at the very top with an assembly machine. First, the machine squeezes the top of the pencil and slides on the aluminum part known as the ferrule. Next, it inserts the rubber eraser and squeezes to hold everything together. Step 10. The final step, customization. Some pencils are wrapped in decorative film with intricate designs while others are screen printed or foil stamped with a logo. Okay guys, Now I am told the information about pencil making process and steps. So if you want more information like this, you can click and or type in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and click the like button. Bye guys.